happened here?
Huh?
1 hour earlier, Leo was working on his special invention.
Hazel, look at my invention. Wow, Leo, it looks amazing. Hey, but please do not touch this bright button.
Okay, Leo, I promise.
Leo went to the kitchen to get some water.
Maybe one tiny press? Nothing bad can happen.
The robot started dancing quickly. Toys moved around the room. Bubbles filled the whole house.
Whoa! Please stop following me! Robo! Stop! Please stop!
At that moment, Mom and Dad came home.
Leo, what happened here?
I do not know.
Leo, this is a big mess. You should have been more careful.
Nobody believes me. Maybe they need some space.
Leo quietly walked outside.
I made this mistake. Leo was telling the truth. We need to find Leo.
Yes. We need to bring him home.
The family started searching everywhere. Leo sat alone outside.
My head hurts a little. I wish Mom was here.
They always cared about me.
I made a mistake by leaving.
Leo, please come back home.
I miss you, Leo.
We will find him.
Finally, they saw Leo sitting alone.
Leo! Leo, I am so sorry.
We should listen before blaming someone.
I learned something today.
What did you learn? Mistakes can happen. But we should tell the truth and listen to each other.
We will always listen to you.
And we will solve problems together.